Surface scan technology provides simple and stable flight for everybody from beginners to hobbyists. Improved auto hover allows easier control in between commands. Professional grade firmware provides simple and stable flight for beginners and hobbyists. 8 one-touch stunts are visually impressive. Dual flight mode provides choice of normal and sport flight. The Skyviper Fury stunt drone simplifies flying and outperforms other drones in its class. The Fury introduces surface scan technology, making drones easier to fly than ever before. It includes a tiny camera sensor on the underside of the drone that tracks and analyzes surface patterns at nearly 200 times per second. It enables you to fly in any direction using just one stick as well as maintain your hover with ease. The Fury also features professional-grade, award-winning ardupilot firmware for the best flying experience in its class. Perfect for flying fast outside, the lightweight Fury stunt drone is also safe enough to use indoors. Top reviews from the United States. Skyviper is by far the best toy drone on the market. It's stable, fast, has great range, is affordable, and even though I primarily fly DJI Mavic 2s and Traxxas Aten, I still fly my Skyvipers a lot. Durable, has withstood dozens of crashes. Luckily, it comes with a spare set of propellers for those extra gnarly ones. Good range, good battery life for the cost. Controls are quirky but straightforward.